Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Breville AquaStation Purifier hot, and on the display it's giving you an E04 error, and you're trying to figure out what this is and what you need to do to get rid of it. First of all, what this is it's the protection that this purifier has in order to not boil when it's dry. So basically not boil all the water away because it overheats. So what you need to do is, first of all, if you don't have enough water in it and you have it on, this might happen. So what you should try to do is unplug it, fill it up with water, plug it back in, and then see if that doesn't make the error go away. And if the error goes away, then you should be able to use it just fine. You just might get this error sometimes when you let the water get too low, and it will turn off to avoid overheating and damaging itself. If you fill it up with water and you're still getting this error, at that point you're going to need to contact customer service because you probably have something faulty in the controls of the machine.